Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the first two parts of question number 12. In this you are given a figure where three lines which are L, M and R parallel to each other, and it is also given that G is the midpoint of CD. Then you have to calculate BG and here you have to calculate CF. Now let's solve it. These three lines are parallel to each other. Now if I talk about in triangle ADC, this triangle ADC, line this BG, and you can say AD is parallel because this complete line are parallel, so obviously this line segment must also be parallel. So G is given the midpoint of CD. And according to midpoint theorem, if I draw a parallel line from the midpoint of one side in a triangle, it should be meeting the midpoint of the third side. So clearly B should also be the midpoint of side AC, and this BG must be half of AD. So in triangle A, that is D and C. In triangle ADC, B and G are the midpoints, which I have proved because according to midpoint theorem, if I draw a parallel line from one midpoint, it should meet another midpoint. So this is I am saying because of midpoint theorem. So if these are midpoint theorems, so clearly BG must be equals to half of AD. So in this case you have to calculate BG. So clearly BG must be equals to half of AD, and AD here it is given as 6 cm. So the value of BG must be equals to 3 centimeters. The value of BG must be 3 centimeters. Now let's find what should be the value of CF, which is this. For that, let's talk about in triangle CDF, which is this triangle CDF, this one, and G is the midpoint of CD, and from G, which is the midpoint, if I draw a parallel line to this line, so it should meet the midpoint of another line and it should be half of this third line. So according to midpoint theorem, G and E must be the midpoints, and GE must be equals to half of CF. This line must be equals to half of this line, or in other words we can say that CF must be equals to twice of GE. Here you have to find CF. This is because I have cross multiplied. Here you have to find CF, where G is given as 2.3 centimeters. So the value of CF must be equals to 4.6 centimeters. The value of CF here should be equals to 4.6 centimeters. So this is how you can solve these two first parts. In the next video, we'll solve the rest of the parts. Thank you.